swimming, people. Headed to go get my boo right now from the sitter. We're headed to Ocean Breeze, man. I love summer. I love it. I love it. I love it. Say hey, mama. No, you say hey. 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 You excited to go swimming?
Yeah.
Man, I'm super excited that we're getting to go to Ocean Breeze on a Wednesday for more than one reason. But first, this was my very first job, Dairy Queen, when I moved to Virginia Beach, and actually my very first job in life. But anyway, that's not the point. I'm super excited about going, A, because I get to get out of the house, B, because it's a super nice day and I feel like I'm making the most of summer, and C, because, you know, a lot of times you work a 9-to-5 job or whatever, or in my case, an 8-to-4, and like when you get off work, I really just sit in the house and don't do much until the next day when I get up and go to work again. And so I'm trying to break myself of that habit of just going home and sitting in front of the TV and playing on the computer and not being out and about, especially in the summer months when they're gonna be so short and they're gonna be gone before I know it. Enjoy summer, man. Life does not have to stop just because you work during the day. Like, there's so many hours after you get off work for you to play and do stuff and be active, and I just feel like I haven't been taking advantage of that, and so today's the day I changed that. Hey yo, this right here, I didn't forget, this is definitely the song of the vlog.
Ain't none of this shit promise, ain't none of this promise.
Nope.
Ain't none of this shit promise, ain't none of this promise. Ain't none of this shit certain, ain't none of this certain. And none of us perfect, I hope it was worth shopping in Paris. We going shopping in Paris, nigga.
Ocean Breeze. We're here, baby. You see the gorilla? You see the big gorilla? Wow. We gotta listen to these jets all day. See it? Damn, I'm glad I ain't washed the car like I said I wanted to. You like your glasses?
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Hey, come here.
The water. Get that. The water. Get that.
Man, I wish I had a brush.
Ow. Ow.
That don't hurt.
Ow.
How's that?
Good.
Let me see. You like it?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Man, it is blazing out here, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Check this jet out in the background. Like, did I get it? I don't even know if I got it. So this one here is real smart. What do you say when you want to be carried when you don't feel like walking anymore? What do you say, Daddy? You say, I want to what? Say it louder.
I wanna hold you.
Why you wanna hold me? It looked like I'm holding you to me. Y'all could tell me, but it looked like I'm holding her, not she's holding me. So I'm getting the short end of the stick on this deal. But it's all good because you my boo. Thank you. Yeah, you might not be able to see
sheets of paper lying right next to her, prayed for something better to come along and save her,
You ready to go play?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can go ahead. Alright people, we're getting ready to go in the water, so I'll probably be switching over to the GoPro. Yeah.
Someone to hold up. All she needs is someone to hold.
Why you holding me? Where the waves? Say where the waves? Where the waves at? Stop no matter what. Nope, summer don't stop. I don't care if my arm is broken. We ain't stopping. Figure out which rides Lonnie can ride. Again, broken arm. Summer don't stop. Summer don't stop. Summer don't stop. Anyway, we're trying to figure out which rides we can ride with. And the dedication is real. I'm trying to get y'all an awesome shot and make a memory. You see all these stairs, people? Whew. It's a lot of stairs.
Ow.
But we're gonna get it done.
Ow.
Ow, what?
Ha.
I'm doing all the work.
You can't.
All right, we made it. You can walk now. Single and double twos right here. This way, baby. Say hey.
Y'all was in the water.
Yeah, I saw Lamar at the top of the slide.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Yeah, what?
Yes, Emmy.
Yeah, and you too. You having fun? Is this place awesome or what?
We're swimming.
We're swimming.
You swimming?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Taped up broken pieces, all that's left of her. Find just one good reason to move on to something better.
Hey man, she a worried boy.
Why?
Man. She got me looking for you, man. I'm like, yo, I don't even care. This dude having.
Look, I don't even care. Hey!
Wait. She's scared to come in here. Come on. Run through it. You can do it. Come here, look. All right, come on. Yeah, good job. And out of here.
All she needs is someone to hold on. All she needs is someone to hold on.
Son, you gotta follow the signs, yo.
Man, huh?
You gotta follow the signs.
Man, listen, man. I'm making the rules up, baby, as I go.
Someone to hold on. Someone to hold on. All she needs is some.
Man, some kids just asked me if they could subscribe to my channel. That was pretty cool. He was like, are you a YouTuber? Oh my God, YouTuber alert.